In this video, I'm going to show you the best all-time suppliers on Allchinabuy. In this video, we'll go over the top-rated sellers on Allchinabuy, covering everything from streetwear, high-end fashion, jerseys, hoodies, and puffers. These sellers have been tested, with some delivering over 100 kg of clothes. Let's get into it. First is to top Allchinabuy sellers. The Moo Official. It has a massive selection, over 11,500 items, with good for discovering items. Find products here, then look for cheaper alternatives, reseller, not manufacturer, prices may be higher. Now we rate this as a 6 out of 10. Second seller is the Elementary X, or LX. This is the best seller Health Star seller, cheaper and better quality than competitors. It has an NFC-enabled Health Star items. The rating for here is 10 out of 10. Now we have the third seller, which is the Doen Rep. Best for unique and high quality streetwear like Palace, Owood Rose, and Stone Island. It has two stores, one for new stocks and one for older items, with top tier denim quality, some of the best available. We're gonna rate this as 10 out of 10. Now we have the fourth one is the 666 Factory. It has an high-end luxury focus like Balenciaga, Louis Vuitton, and more. It has a premium quality, but not cheap, but worth it. Now we rate this as 10 out of 10. The fifth seller is Maya, best for Moncler seller. It has a top-tier Moncler jackets, 1 out of 1 replicas, an NFC authentication, matches real Moncler verification, with limited stock only, high demand, and sells out fast. Now the rating here is 10 out of 10. The sixth shop for us is the Topstone, best for Stone Island seller. Best Stone Island replicas, puffers, and jackets. With extremely high demand, sells out quickly before winter. We're gonna rate this as 10 out of 10. Now the last one is the AAAA jersey. Best jersey seller. 50,000 plus jerseys with retro, new kits, and custom options. It's also cheap and delinquent quality. Great for buyer and budget buyers. Now it has a password to access store, like AAA or 4A and jersey. Now we're gonna rate this shop as 10 out of 10. Now when it comes to our final thoughts, best overall Doen representative and 666 Factory has the premium quality and unique pieces. The best budget, the 4A and jersey and Elementary X, which cheap but high quality. The third is best winter wear, which is Maya, which is Moncler, and Topstone with on Stone Island. Want more sellers? Like and comment for part 2. If you have any questions, drop down below. Thank you for watching.